friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. We will continue our discussion building the website using WordPress, and today we will discuss the topic of tables block in Gutenberg editor. Adding tables to WordPress using the classic editor used to be a hassle. If you did not want to spend time writing the HTML and CSS for a table, you either had to use a plugin or a page builder. Gutenberg now includes a table block that lets you add simple tables. There is not a lot of formatting options though, and you will not be able to build really fancy tables with the tables block. You will need to choose the numbers of column and rows. There are not a lot of styling options, so the tables you create will be pretty basic in terms of design. There are just two styles you can choose from. To enter data into this table, you simply click inside a cell and type. You can choose to make cells fix its width. You can add a header and a footer as well. You can choose one of these. Here you can add a header as well, and you can see the footer option as well if you want to. There you can choose any one of these colors as the background color of the table, and there here you can align the table from left, right, or center anywhere you want. You can align the column as well with the text wherever you want. Here you can fix the width of the table, and here in advanced section you can add the CSS classes from the advanced section. You can align text into individual columns as well. You can add hyperlinks or images as well. Our next topic is the Gutenberg Classic Editor block. You have the option to add a classic editor block to a document. There are not many options. You cannot even add custom CSS classes. There is one option though. If you go to the toolbar menu and click convert to blocks, content in a classic editor block will be converted into Gutenberg blocks. Say we have a few paragraphs, headings, and an image in a classic editor block. By clicking on convert to blocks, each paragraph, heading, and image will be placed in its own block. The header is placed inside a heading, the paragraph into a paragraph block, and the image is placed in the image block. Apart from this, you cannot do much with this editor. Our next topic is the column block. The column block is perhaps the most versatile of all blocks Gutenberg offers in terms of what we can do. This is grouped here. You can add the column. Once you add it, you will need to choose a layout. This block can have either two or three columns with column of varying widths. I will choose a three column layout. The best part is into each of these columns you can add any type of block including another columns block. You can select a column and vary its width from the column settings section of the settings panel. You can change the vertical alignment within a column from the toolbar menu. You can add an image here inside, and these features lets you stack blocks on top of each other in each column. There you can add another image in the same block. You can resize and settings into different options. So our next topic is the Gutenberg images. You can use the image block to insert an image anywhere on your page or post. You can upload an image from your computer, choose one from the media library, or insert from a URL. You can resize an image once you upload it. To resize an image, once you upload it, to resize an image, you need to grab one of these circles and drag it either inward or outward, and the image will be resized accordingly. You cannot crop an image that easily though. If you want to crop an image, you will need to click on the edit image, go back to the upload media screen, click on the edit image, and then you will be able to crop the image. If you align an image left to right, blocks directly above or below an image will float right next to it. You can use multiple options here. You can add a caption, and you have options to bold, italicize, or hyperlink it. You can link the image by clicking on the link icon in the toolbar and adding a URL. There are some options in the settings panel as well. This option near the bottom of the settings panel allows you to choose from one of four predefined image sizes, and you can also manually specify the width and height here. You can transform the image block into the following block: file, media and text, gallery and cover. If you transform it into a file, the image is not displayed anymore, but instead your visitors will be able to download the image. Transforming it into media and text will let you add an image block next to the image. You can transform into a gallery as well, which will let you add several images, and we can transform it into a cover block. We will look at the gallery and cover images block in the separate next videos. Thanks for watching, and keep watching my channel for more informational videos.